Okay, Boss 302 fans. Here we go, 70 Boss 302, Grabber Blue from the factory. First thing you'll notice is how the front end sits down on these cars. That's standard for all Trans Am cars, especially Boss 302s. You'll see a lot of Boss 302s out on the advertising, and the front end is stuck way up in the air like a Mach 1. These cars took special springs in the front to get them a rake like that, so that's how the first thing you'll know. Anyway, this is a real deal Boss 302. Came from a major heavy duty dealer out of Ohio. And here we go. It's the highest option Boss 302 I've ever seen. Here is the option list from the Marty report. Rear deck spoiler, 4-speed closed ratio transmission, 350 track lock differential, F6015 white letter tires, shaker hood scoop, sports slats, console, power steering, AM radio group, decor tinted group, tinted glass, heavy duty battery, Magnum 500 wheels, tachometer. And not to mention, it's one of 42 that ever got a white interior. 99% of these Grabber Blue Boss 302s were a black interior. This is one of 42 in white. And it's an amazing color differential. Certainly very rare. And there was a no expense spared complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration on this car in 2014 by Mustang specialists out of Ohio. And you can just tell. I've had door panels off. I've had the back seats out. They did it all the way. I've been over every inch of this car. Full Marty report. Look at those beautiful custom Boss 302 floor mats. And there's the antenna sitting over there. Let's have a look at the engine. This particular model car was the 1970 Trans Am Champion from Ford, Trans Am Racing. And again in 2014, oops, camera slipped. This car was taken apart, nut and bolt rotisserie. Has a mini spare in the trunk, all the right parts. And one last thing, this thing goes like hell, man. I keep it up in the RPM just because that's where it wants to run. And it's amazing, man. Once you launch it in high RPMs, the thing just gets freaking mean. It's an incredible car for sure.